Actually, now is the moment we've all been waiting for, the feast. Now from morning onwards you saw how each ingredient is being prepared.
Right.
You even tried it out on your own. You saw the traditional cooking methods of the grandmas, their lifestyle, how they cook and everything. Now we get to feast. Our favorite part, yeah?
Yes.
So let's open up the dinner table. Right. Let's see. Oof. I know it's a lot to take in. So many different varieties of beautiful Sri Lankan greens and curries. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to show you what we prepared in the noon. This is the ambultial curry, the final product of it. This looks, smell it. It smells fantastic. Oh, I know you can't wait to eat that, yeah? This is ambultial curry. So we'll get to that in a bit. Right here we have the traditional red rice, which is very healthy. And then over here, of course, our morning's catch. I think this fish is the one that you caught on your skirt. You can have that for all yours. And of course we have here the sorua, which comes from the stem of the banana flower, as well as green papayas, all mixed together perfectly. And then we have here the traditional manioc. It's a Sri Lankan favorite. Everyone likes manioc.
Right.
And we have here kohila, what I showed you earlier.
Yes.
Tibbatu right here, and then we have the Karen leaf, as well as we have the traditional Sri Lankan greens from all across the area. It's mixed together, and then this is the manioc leaves. Here we have the what is this? You remember?
No.
Me neither. So this right here, this is the kehelmoa, and this right here, the breadfruit. Breadfruit. Yes. So I know you're dying to taste everything out. Let's grab you a plate and let's get started on tasting. Yeah. There we go. Okay. First of all, you have to put the rice. No Sri Lankan dish is complete without the rice, and a nice small portion of it. Okay. Please hold the plate. I will serve you. Yeah. As I serve, you can go and taste what it's like. So here we have the ambultial, right? The ambultial. Please go ahead, taste it and see how it's like. Let me give you some of our fresh fish from the sea.
It was amazing.
Amazing, yeah?
Yeah.
The ambultial is a Sri Lankan classic. Yeah. So, here, let me serve you some more. Right here we have the fresh fish that we caught earlier.
Right.
Straight from the sea. Okay. Let me serve you some Karen as well. Here you go. How does it taste?
So good.
Glad you enjoyed it. Yeah. So as you go on, just keep on getting these flavors into your mouth, and at a certain point you are going to mix everything together, and it's gonna feel amazing. It's gonna feel, so each dish, when you mix it together, it's gonna bring in a different flavor. That's what happens. So that's the specialty of the Sri Lankan cuisine, because we have many different varieties of greens, right? Oh, you have to taste this, the sorua. This is very unique to the area. You can't find this in a lot of places around Sri Lanka. The sorua.
Wow.
I know you're enjoying it a little bit too much.
It's so good.
Right? Right. I'm just gonna keep on adding everything to you, right? And at a certain point, you're gonna mix everything together, and the taste is gonna be totally different. Yeah, totally different.
Wow.
Okay, let me serve you some breadfruit as well. Breadfruit.
Good. And
Yeah,
don't
so you
forget
can-
this thing. How do you call
It's
it?
the manioc.
Manioc.
Yeah, the manioc. let's not forget it. The manioc is actually
Breakfast.
the manioc you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's a dish that you can use anytime. You can serve yourself anytime,
Wow.
right? So this is a traditional Sri Lankan dinner plate. It's filled with a lot of stuff, but that's what makes it really amazing, because it's a balanced diet, because it contains fibers, the protein, the carbs, everything that you need is all here. It's a balanced, very healthy diet.
Right.
That is our Sri Lankan way.
So tasty.
So tasty, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad you got to
Amazing.
enjoy it, yeah? So, please sit down. Let's enjoy ourselves. Aren't you glad you came here today? Very good. Let's have our dinner. Yeah?
Bon appetit.
So, like I told you, you have to mix everything together. Try having one gulp with everything mixed together. See how it tastes.
It's good.
Amazing, right? You can feel all the Sri Lankan flavors come together. In combination, it produces a totally different flavor. The thing is, it's not just tasty, it's very healthy. Unbelievably healthy. All these vegetables and legumes, beans, everything has their own unique health properties which cannot be found anywhere else. So when you mix everything together, you can see how healthy it is, right? Professional. I'm enjoying this a bit too much. I can't stop eating now.